Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So from this video I just want to remind you the last date of the NTA UGC NET December 2020 cycle application, as well as we will discuss the how to upload the photo, and the uploading photo must be having the name as well as the date of birth. All these things are not. Okay, that one we will see with respect to the information bulletin of the UGC NET. Okay. Going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UGC NET electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. Then content of the video. So most of you people may already apply to this December 2020 cycle, and few people may not. So that's why from this video to all my subscribers I am just reminding what is the last date for applying the UGC NET December 2020 cycle. Okay, so it is an information bulletin of the NTA UGC NET exam for the December 2020 cycle, guys. And in this information bulletin here the important dates are mentioned. So from that dates you may check down here the last date for successful transaction of examination fee through credit or debit card or net banking and Paytm mode till 11:50 p.m. up to 3rd March 2021. But online registration and submission of application form is last date is the 2nd March 2021. Okay, that means just 2 days left. So the 2nd March is the last date of online registration or else the online submission of the application form, and for the examination fee 1 more day, that is the 3rd March is the last date. Okay, so these are the important dates, and then for the last date of online application form as well as the examination fee. And coming to the uploading of the photograph, so here in the information bulletin they clearly mentioned in the 4th point instructions for filling online application form, and here you may check down upload the legible scanned images of the recent photograph in JPG or else the JPEG file. So the size must be 10 KB to 200 KB either in color or else the black and white. I mean in that photo 80% of the face must be visible and without mask. That means you should not wear the mask at the time of taking the photo, and your ears must be clearly visible against the white background. That means whatever the photo you are going to upload, the background must be white, and the candidate signature file size 4 KB to 30 KB. Okay, so the candidates who already uploaded, then please check what is your uploaded photograph background, and the candidates who did not upload it, then please upload the photo with the white background. Okay, and so those are the details, and we can see the pictures also at the end of this information bulletin. Okay, that I will show you. And whatever the photograph you are uploading to the online application form of the NTA UGC NET, so please be the copy of that photograph. Why? Because you have to take one more photograph to the examination center. Okay, additional photograph to be pasted on the attendance sheet. So whatever the photo you uploaded and whatever the photograph you are going to paste on the attendance sheet, both these two must be same. Okay, so please note down very carefully, guys. Okay, so and the end of when if the exam is tomorrow, so don't rush for checking out the similar photos. Okay, and while coming to the end of the information bulletin, you may check down the few cartoons of the photo uploading. Okay, so yes, you may check down. So below the photograph, there is no need of putting your name or else the DOB. Those things are not necessary. I think this photo is clearly visible to you. So check down this. Yeah. So it should be like this. Okay. So your face as well as the background white and your ears must be visible properly. Okay. And the size is mentioned. Okay. And your signature too. So your photograph must be exactly like this, guys. Okay. So these are the precautions and few instructions that I want to give the candidates who did not upload it or else who did not apply for the UGC NET application form. Okay, so for more notifications, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen guys and share this video to your friends or colleagues who are going to apply for the UGC NET exam. Thank you guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys, okay? And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So here Unacademy Accelerate is there, and in this one on Feb 28, that is Sunday 4 to 5 o'clock, evening 4 to 5 o'clock, the exam is going to be conducted. So for paper 1, 50 questions will be there, and the candidates who scored rank 1 to 2, 100% scholarship will be available. 3 to 10 75%, 11 to 35 50%, and 36 to 150 25%. So all the interested candidates may enroll now, and the link I will keep in the description box of this video. You may go through the terms and conditions also. Thank you guys.